Are you annoyed by many ads on your iPhone? Not only can they be distracting, but they also can slow down your device. Watch this video to the end, and your iPhone will be free from annoying ads. So the first step is to open Settings and scroll down until you reach Screen Time section. After that, you're gonna find Content and Privacy Restrictions. And if it hasn't been turned on yet, then just toggle on the switch to turn it on. Then scroll through the list and find Feature Apple Advertising. If this is allowed, then ads will be shown on your iPhone. So to turn off ads, you're gonna click option Don't Allow and save changes by going back. After following these steps, the number of unnecessary ads will be greatly reduced. Now you can freely use your iPhone without constant distractions. That's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.